Hello and welcome to the latest edition of CMS News. CMS honored the 75th Independence Day of our country. The CMS College honored the 75th Independence Day of India on 15th of August 2022. The college celebrations began with the hoisting of the national flag by the college principal Dr. Verghese C. Joshua, followed by the NCC parade. The NSS program officer Dr. Ajish KR gave the welcome speech. The principal addressed the gathering by conveying his wishes and explained the importance of the whole idea of independence, which should not be taken as granted. When India gained freedom from the British, many political analysts all over the world criticized that India will not last as a country because of its diversity. But we should all be proud that we have surpassed this criticism and we are celebrating the 75th Independence Day of our country. The NCC cadet Josna Anna Joseph, College Bursar, Reverend Cherian Thomas, and Vice Principal Dr. Reenu Jacob gave the felicitations. The NSS team and the music club of the college jointly organized a patriotic fusion song along with other cultural programs. As part of Independence Day celebrations, Richard Attenborough's Oscar-winning movie Gandhi, a biographical drama that presents the major events in the life of M.K. Gandhi, the beloved Indian leader who stood against British rule over his country, was shown at the Educational Theatre to end the celebrations. The Department of History conducted an interdepartmental quiz competition on the 17th of August 2022 in association with the 75th Independence Day, Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav at Reverend Joseph N. Hall. Srikesh Poti CK and Sujana MS, first year MSc Zoology, secured first prize in the competition. Midun Vijay, Parvati S, second year DSc Mathematics Department, and Richu Anna Sajan, Ria Mariam Sabu, second DC History Department, got second and third place respectively. The prizes were sponsored by Dr. Y. Matthew, former Vice Principal and HOD, Department of History, SPCS Kottayam, and Learners Book House Kottayam. Kottayam College Lifetime Achievement Award presented and post-graduation induction conducted. Kottayam College Lifetime Achievement Award 2022 and postgraduate induction program were conducted on 17th of August 2022 at the Great Hall CMS College, Kottayam. The Kottayam College Lifetime Achievement Award is a prestigious award announced for the first time by the college to recognize the substantive scientific merit of the awardee, involving high-quality research as well as for impactful efforts to create collaborative bridges between industry and academia with a global vision for innovation. The college announced Dr. Thomas J. Kolakot as the recipient of the award for the year 2022. Dr. Thomas J. Kolakot, PhD, FRSC, MBA, R&D, Fellow and Director of Global Technology Innovation, Life Science Chemistry, Millipore Sigma, USA, has focused on areas such as organometallic, homogeneous catalysis, and organic synthesis. He has about 120 peer-reviewed publications and over 60 patents internationally. He is both a technology expert in chemistry and a fellow of the Royal Society of Chemistry, FRSC. The presidential address was given by Principal Dr. Verghese C. Joshua, Right Reverend Dr. Malayil Sabukoshi Cherian, Bishop of CSI Madhya Kerala Diocese, and the manager of the college gave the inaugural address. This was followed by the post-graduation induction program for academic year 2022-23 to learn about the institutional policies and foundational ethos of the college. Dr. Thomas J. Kolakot was the chief guest of the ceremony. It enabled the students to get acquainted with the various functional units and support systems of the college, making the transition from graduation to education smooth and straightforward. The Department of Chemistry hosted an invited talk on the topic Nobel Prize winning innovations in homogeneous catalysis in the last 2 decades on 17th of August 2022 at the Educational Theatre. The resource person of the talk was Dr. Thomas J. Kolakot. He is also a fellow of the Royal Society of Chemistry. He has given over 400 lectures internationally. In addition, he received several awards and honors. 2021 Life Achievement Award from Merck, Germany, 2018 Merck Outstanding Researcher, 2017 Catalysis Club of Philadelphia Award for outstanding contributions in the field of catalysis. CMS shines vibrant in Onam colors. Onam celebrations were held at full swing. The whole campus came together to celebrate Onam on 2nd of September after a break of 2 years. Many activities and competitions were held between various departments. Women's Studies Center, CMS College Kottayam, in association with Malayala Manorama, organized the Malayali Manga competition. The first place was claimed by Amrita Varshini ER of second year BSc Chemistry. Second place was won by Krishna Priya of second year BSc Mathematics. And the third place was won by Sangeeta S of the second year MA Sociology respectively. The winners were awarded cash prize and their photos were covered by Malayala Manorama. For the Pookalam competition 2022 held at the campus, the first place was won by the Department of BVoc, the second place was won by the Department of BCA, and the third place was claimed by the Department of Zoology. The first prize winner for the Maveli competition was the Department of Sociology, and the second prize was won by the Department of Chemistry, followed by the Department of Commerce Self-Finance, which secured the third position. In the tug-of-war competitions male subcategory, the Department of Economics secured the first position. Second place was given to the Department of BCom Self-Finance, and the third place was given to the Department of English. And for the female subcategory, the Department of Zoology won the first prize. The Department of Physics won the second prize, and the third place was won by the Department of English. Staff unites for Onam celebration. The CMS College staff came together for a widespread Onam celebration. Both faculty and staff representatives and members were part of the program. Both Focus and Wishes conducted their respective Onam celebration. CMS College lady teachers and staff members celebrated Onam in a colorful manner. Professor Mary Matthew, former Vice Principal of Basilius College, was the chief guest of the program and gave the Onam message highlighting the importance of coming together. The Principal, Dr. Varghese C. Joshua, also participated in the celebrations and wished the staff members. Dr. Tejal Abraham, Assistant Professor, Department of Physics, Professor Radhika G., Head of Department of History, Dr. Renu Jacob, Vice Principal, and Assistant Professor Christine Sarah Abraham of the Department of Botany wished the gathering. The Focus celebrations included a mix of cultural activities, both dance and music, by teachers and the staff members. Dr. Rajesh K.R., Secretary of Focus, delivered the welcome speech. Principal Dr. Varghese C. Joshua shared the Onam message, talking in detail about the history and cultural importance of Onam in Kerala and lives of the people. Dr. Renu Jacob, Vice Principal, conveyed the Onam wishes. College Bursar, Reverend Cherian Thomas, wished the gathering a blessed and prosperous Onam. Dr. Vijay Kurian, Assistant Professor, Department of Zoology, gave the vote of thanks, followed by Onam Sadhya. CMS Research Scholars won prestigious award. Parvati Santosh Kumar won the renowned Best Research Presentation Award for the MSc Chemistry thesis work presented at the Swiss Chemical Society meeting held at Zurich, Switzerland, under the guidance of Dr. Vipin Ipe Thomas, Assistant Professor, Department of Chemistry. She received a travel grant of Rs 75,000, a cash award of Rs 25,000, an invitation to publish the research in the Lawrence issue of journal Chimia, published by Swiss Chemical Society. Runner-ups for the Research Presentation Award were postdoctoral students of EPFL and ETH Zurich, Switzerland. Lydia Matthew also presented her research work during the meeting. Rajalakshmi, a research scholar in the chemistry department of college, working under the guidance of Dr. Vipin Ipe Thomas, was invited to present her research paper at the prestigious American Chemical Society Symposium in Chicago, USA, and she presented her work on copper-catalyzed reactions, which was featured as cover art in the famous journal Organic and Biomolecular Chemistry, published by the Royal Society of Chemistry. India March for Science is a scientific community that urges to uphold Article 51A of the Constitution, cultivate scientific temper, and stop spreading unscientific beliefs. The India March for Science was held in all major towns and cities all around India. MOU signing ceremony held. The Memorandum of Understanding signing ceremony between the Physics Department of Government College Kottayam and CMS College Kottayam was held on the 24th of August 2022 at Government College Kottayam. The Memorandum of Understanding was signed by our Principal Dr. Varghese C. Joshua and Dr. R. Prakash, Principal of Government College Kottayam. The objective of the Memorandum of Understanding is to collaborate between both colleges make use of the facilities available, exchange information relating to activities in teaching and research fields of mutual interest, give necessary training for competitive exams, and conduct joint programs and projects to gain experience in various fields. Dialectos held. In the 9th episode of Dialectos Conversation with Great Minds, Principal Dr. Verghese C. Joshua got involved in a deep conversation with Dr. Sebastian Paul, a well-known media critic, cultural activist, and an advocate by profession. The conversation held discussions about newspapers, the importance of journalism and media freedom. They also debated whether there should be a system to monitor the media in the same way they monitor us. Dr. Sebastian Paul discussed the significance of Article 91A and 92 of the Indian Constitution. He also discussed the importance of regulatory bodies in media firms. He also talked about the role of an editor in a newspaper. He conducted the conversation by stating that journalism is a profession that requires extensive training and professional commitment, and it is not something that everyone can do. Breastfeeding Week 2022 observed at CMS. The Department of Family and Community Science at CMS College, in association with the Ministry of Information and Broadcasting, organized programs as a part of the World Breastfeeding Week from August 1 to 7. A webinar was held on the 5th of August on the agenda Support Breastfeeding for Healthy Baby and Mother by Dr. Sitara CJ, Reproductive and Child Health Officer, District Medical Office, Kottayam. Umukulusu Kabir and Rose Catherine, the students from Assumptions College, won first place in the quiz competition. CMS College students Alina Muhammad and Afra Rafiq badged second position, and Anugraha Thomas and Haurul Leena badged third position. Saloni Sandosh of BSc Clinical Nutrition and Dietetics from St. Teresa's College, Ernakulam, and Diya Kabir of BSc Home Science from CMS College, Kottayam held the first and second places respectively in the lactogenous recipe contest. For the poster competition conducted to honor the week, Ashwati Vinod of BSc Home Science from Government Women's College, Trivandrum won first place. Bhumi Anthony of Assumption College and Angel Rose of St. Albert's College, Ernakulam shared the second place, while Janat Shan of BSc Clinical Nutrition at Alfonsa College, Pala, and Sandra P.S. of BSc Food Technology at Indira Gandhi College, Kodamangalam, shared the third prize. For the slogan contest, first prize was secured by Fama Mansoor, MSc Nutrition and Dietetics, St. Joseph's College, Alapura. Second prize was secured by Umukulusu Kabir, MSc DFSM, Assumption College, Changanasheri. Seminars held. The Department of History, in association with the Kerala State Archaeological Department, conducted a seminar on the topic Malayalam Language Newspaper and Freedom Struggle as a part of Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav. The program was held at Reverend Joseph N. Hall on the 12th of August 2022. Dr. Sebastian Paul, the former MP and media critic, gave the inaugural address. He said that newspapers played a significant role in bringing unfamiliar ideas to the people during the freedom struggle. The principal, Dr. Verghese C. Joshua, presided over the function. R. Rajesh Kumar, artist, superintendent of the Archaeology Department, Mrs. G. Radhika, head of the Department of History, Dr. Sumi Mary Thomas, and Ria Mariam Sabu spoke at the function. Dr. Lijimol P. Jacob, the principal of CPAS Institute of Communication and Journalism, and Dr. S.R. Sanjeev, the head of the Journalism and Communication Department of Marivanius College, presented the essay. Intercollegiate quiz competition winners declared. Young Women's Christian Association conducted an intercollegiate quiz competition on 19th of August 2022. CMS College students Srigesh Poti CK of MSc Zoology, Ria Mariam Sabu of BA History, Midun Vijay of BSc Mathematics shared the first prize. CMS College honors former student for securing All India rank in UPSC Civil Service Examination. CMS College conducted the honoring ceremony for the former student Hridya S. Vijayan for securing All India rank 317 in the UPSC Civil Service Examination. The welcome speech was given by Professor Sindhu Thomas, Department of Mathematics. The principal, Dr. Verghese C. Joshua, delivered the presidential address. Dr. Reenu Jacob, Vice Principal, retired Dr. Mary Epen, Head of the Department of Statistics, Dr. Ambali P. Matthew, Head of Department of Mathematics, and Dr. Daisy Abraham, Head of the Department of Malayalam, gave the felicitations. Hridya S. Vijayan discussed in detail how she cracked the examination and opened the platform for her students for a healthy interaction. The vote of thanks was delivered by Dr. Vivek S., Assistant Professor, Department of Mathematics. Student achievement. Sri Lakshmi MP, former student of the college from the Department of Physics, secured PhD admission at Jean Lamour, University of Lorraine, France. Solve the Puzzle contest hosted. The Department of Zoology organized Solve the Puzzle contest as part of World Tiger Day. Annie Elizabeth Elias and Dan Thomas Verghese from the Department of English secured first place, and Balamurali Krishna NV and Merlin Thomas from the Department of Mathematics secured the second prize in the competition. Programs undertaken by NSS unit. The NSS unit of the college secured first prize in the Patriotic Song competition organized by Darsana Cultural Center, Kottayam on 10th August 2022. The unit received a memento and cash award of Rs 7,500. The NSS unit conducted the third phase of the project, Adikulamuttathai Koli Valarthal, on the 3rd of August 2022. The event was inaugurated by Minister J. Chinjurani at Pradeshika Koli Valarthal Kendram, Manargad. As part of the project, Gramasri chicken breeds were distributed to housewives in the locality. The officer of Pradeshika Koli Valarthal Kendram, Dr. P.K. Manoj Kumar, gave general instructions about how to care for the chickens. NSS Program Officer Dr. Rajesh K.R., NSS volunteers Anaga Rajiv and Balamurali Krishna NV guided the meeting. The NSS unit conducted a boatload sale for Snehaveed project on the premises of Great Hall on the 12th of August 2022. The boatload was done to raise funds for the Snehaveed project. The active participation of faculties and students made the event successful. The NSS volunteers of the college cleaned the campus of the Government School for the Blind, Olasha, on the 13th of August in connection with International Youth Day. NSS unit, in coordination with the Zoology Department of the college, organized a skill development program under the name Mushroom Cultivation. Dr. Nisha P. Aravind, the head of the Zoology Department, led the workshop. NSS unit of the college organized an intercollegiate photography contest as part of World Photography Day. Take a portrait of emotions was the topic of the contest. Karthik J. Shankar from SCMS School of Engineering, Karakutti, and Karthika Aravind from Assumption College, Changanasheri, secured the first and second positions respectively. The National Service unit of the college conducted a patriotic song competition, flag drawing competition, fancy dress competition and doodle art competition as a part of Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav. Students of various schools and colleges took part in the competition. That's all for today's news. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe to the official YouTube channel and Instagram handle for the college to stay up to date on the latest happening at the CMS. This is Aaron Varghese Shaji signing off.